There is a clear and present danger this evening regarding contaminated meat in the corporate area. The discovery was made in a Kingston community. We must warn you that the pictures are disturbing and viewer discretion is strongly advised.
This is not fit for your dinner table. Pork with buzzing flies, kept in a highly unsanitized environment. From pork to chicken feet, it's all unhealthy. There's not even proper refrigeration. Note, this makeshift motor set up as a desperate attempt to keep the meat at the proper temperature. Maxfield Avenue in St. Andrew is the location for this dangerously unhealthy practice, and the health risk to the public cannot be overstated.
What you're observing here is another clampdown by the police on another location where you have the sale and distribution of illegally obtained meats. As a matter of fact, if you look at the condition that the meat is in, some of it is rotten. You can see the stench, you can see the flies. And this meat is being sold to the unsuspecting public. It is a serious hazard to public safety, to public health. And the police will spare no effort to close down all of these operations.
The authorities were adamant that the perpetrators would be brought to justice. However, how severe are the penalties?
Well, based on the breaches that we have observed, under the Public Health Act and regulation, each of these breaches, like butchering without a license, selling unfit food, each of these breaches can attract a fine of up to $1 million. So these are serious offenses because these offenses threaten public health and safety. And so we treat them as serious, and the law was amended in 2013 to reflect the seriousness of these offenses.
A woman has been arrested on the 4 breaches of the Public Health Act and regulation and will face a maximum fine of $1 million for each fine. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.